and I've been living in Atlanta, Georgia for the past 15 years. Over that time, this city has grown exponentially. It's become its own capital for the arts. Within this city, it's both large and small. In the industry, there are companies that are willing to contract artists like myself to create creative spaces to reflect what it is that they do, to create a sense of imagination where young and old can connect culturally outside of the crazy things that are going on in today's society. A music school that wanted me to transform their blank space into something that will inspire their young students to pursue music, to pursue a career, to take their past and transform it into a positive. They wanted me to show transition, good and bad, in a sense of not the obvious. They saw and they asked me to create a large mural in the front space of their school. Any and everyone that walks in, it's an instant conversation starter. I wanted to do something that they could appreciate the artwork, at the same time start that conversation and really get the overall awkward elephant out the room and address certain issues that are swept under the rug. I'm going to tell the story of my process of creating this mural and my idea. Enjoy. I don't define my art, and I like to leave the window open for interpretation from the viewer. The owners were on a busy schedule and they wanted something done within a very tight deadline. So I needed to go ahead and just pack some paint in on the wall as fast as possible. I never rush my art. Everything might seem that I'm rushing. I'm very efficient in what I do. I design everything on paper and then I bring it into the computer. And then from there, I kind of have a rough estimate as far as what colors are going to be going where. So this is what I call my legacy wall. It is for Legacy School of Music. They are a non-profit organization that teaches young people music production, audio engineering, and they have a very specific style of teaching that they teach people not only to write and record their own music, they also teach them to take it in the direction towards a career. Because music is a sound industry field that it's its own artwork within itself. What I'm simply doing is I'm putting the visual aesthetic behind it. And that's not so easy. It's not hard, but it's a very strong and it's a very bold and complex process because essentially I'm going off of little to no inspiration, formulating an actual visual behind it. So when you come to Legacy School of Music, you not only see a visual, you get a multi-impact to your senses. You get a visual, you get the audio, you get the feeling, you get their customer service. I just think that's amazing. I also had the privilege of painting with a really good buddy of mine. He's a music artist, songwriter, music producer, engineer, and a low-key painter himself. He also draws as well. He asked me, he was like, hey, let me come paint with you. Let me do something. So I was asking, like, sure. I have this mural that I need to do and that I need to really, really get this done in a very short amount of time. So I appreciate the help. I can't wait to see this place when it's all the way filled out. I believe that my artwork would fit right in. It'll really do wonders, and if not, really reflect 10 times more than what it is right now. All right, that's it. This is the end. That's the mural. I've had some very interesting challenges along the process, but I was able to execute them very quickly, get them out the way, and not allow them to stop me from my overall process at hand. I was able to execute this entire wall within a week. It was roughly between 10 to 12 hours each day for about 6 days. That was just shy over 60 hours. Thank you so much for Legacy School of Music for finding me, finding my art, and just really, being open-minded and willing to receive my vision at hand and just really appreciating what I can bring to the table. Thank you to Jdot 4K for bearing through this process and painting. Thank you to you all for watching this and experiencing this whole process with me. If you like what you saw, please leave a comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my Instagram, leave a like on this video. If you have any questions, email me. I'll try to check those out as soon as I possibly can. Check out my website and also the other artwork that I have, and more to come. I hope that you enjoyed what you've seen, and I also hope that you learned something. That's it. Wrapping up. Thank you for watching. I'm out.